Hey fam, quick update on the market looking at BTC from a higher time frame perspective. So after the weekly close below 100k, we got a significant pullback for BTC, a lot of sell pressure currently in the market. So personally not really interested to knife catch anything here. What we will be looking at in the next 2 weeks is a potential formation of higher time frame bullish divergences from the 3-day onwards, ideally on the weekly, which is currently approaching an oversold area. But remember that it can stay at oversold for a long time, just like it stayed at overbought for a long time. So we will be looking for a bullish divergence on the 1 week or the 2 week sometime in the next 2 weeks and months for a potential long-term buy signal. On lower time frames, you can always look for some divergences, but given that there's a lot of sell pressure in the market, I do not recommend to try and knife catch this. What we will be looking at for the next weekly close though is a potential weekly close below 78k. I think that could trigger a lot more sell pressure in the market, just as a weekly close below 100k did, because if we close the weekly below 78k, we officially have a lower low for BTC after 3 years of an uptrend, which would be the first higher time frame lower low throughout the cycle, and this would suggest significantly lower levels in the next 2 weeks and months. So the trend is certainly negative, and that is how we will play it accordingly. It will have its ups and downs, but as things stand now, this is definitely in a new trend which will last for a few more weeks and months. BTC to S&P 500, very similar, lost a big trend after these weekly divergences, hit our first target, didn't hold it, and I think it is possible that in the next few weeks and months we will hit the other targets as well. DXY bottoming at macro range though certainly had a big influence on this. Here we will be looking at the 100 to 101 zone. If this is reclaimed, then this would create additional trouble for speculative assets, because we can expect then this to rise towards 104, 105, which incentivizes investors to hedge into the dollar and against the devaluation, potential devaluation of BTC. So that's something worth monitoring. And until we get that, I really suggest to be managing the risk. As I said, selling pressure is pretty high. The weekly doesn't really look too optimistic, and there will certainly be ups and downs. No short goes in one direction only, but it is really important to consult these higher time frame charts or indexes and follow these higher time frame trends and levels as well. So until then, hope this is helpful. Stay safe trading over the weekend and take care, fam.